I'll just do mine in like, you know, I'll have the Koko B Ware scale.
I was gonna say there's like 5 giant babas out of what was Koko Ware's fucking bird called?
Yeah,
What was
you
it
know, and
called
you'd oh, God, oh,
Fucking
that's driving me.
Frankie?
No,
No?
Frankie. It was Frankie.
Was
It was
it really
Frankie.
Frankie? God damn, I'm so
Yeah,
proud of myself.
pretty
What this is
pretty
going
sure.
on the
Let me
show.
double check. Coco
If it's fucking Frankie,
B
I feel like I
Ware's
earned some points here.
parrot.
I mean, he's in the Hall of Fame.
Yep, Frankie, you are correct.
God damn, I'm a genius. I don't know how the fuck I pulled that off. Okay. I won trivia.
Now, if you actually want like real cred, what was Ricky the Dragon Steamboat's Komodo dragon's name?
I'm trying. The only time I've ever even seen it was when he like brought it out before the like it wasn't like in a promo or anything. I have no clue. I have no clue. Do you know?
No.
Oh, okay, alright. You just fucking with me. God damn it. Now I need to
wait.
Game
No.
Dragon.